Hey, whoa, stop just a second before you just flip on by. It's Maintenance Mike and I got a new one for you today. Kind of wanted to go over condensation with you. Got a lot of people calling about condensation on the windows, thinking their windows aren't sealed right. I want to go over a few things with you right here today on a Maintenance Monday.
Look at the glass next time you drink your milk. Does it seem to sweat? Well, the glass isn't really sweating, of course, but it is wet. It's just the water vapor in the nearby air being condensed.
The reason you have moisture in your house is your lifestyle. How much you cook, how much you shower, how much moisture you're putting in the house. That moisture doesn't necessarily have to do with the condensation you're getting on your windows though, okay? It's the dew point. And the dew point is that temperature at which, when it reaches the temperature of a surface, will condense. When it cools, it condenses and it gives us moisture on the window. So if we had like a humidifier in our house and we're putting moisture out in the air, when the dew point temperature gets close to the temperature of this window, we're going to get condensation. And I did a little experiment here and I want you to look at it over here. I had a humidifier running all night and basically I put up some paper here, just like, let's say you had the blinds up, or the blinds down, I'm sorry. You have the blinds down. So you got moisture developing in this area. Well, on the back side of this window, it's going to be really cold. It's not getting any warm air moving across that window. So let's see what happened. Can't tell a whole lot. But see how you got a little bit of moisture right here? It's developed in this corner down here. Maybe not so much up here. It's gotten a little warmer up this way. But remember on these windows, and we went over this, I don't know, it's been a couple months now, but we talked about the weep holes in a window. That's your weep hole, and that's what it's designed to do. Okay, they're right here. You're gonna have a certain amount of air that's gonna travel through here. This part of the window, it's gonna be just a little bit colder. But because I had this piece of paper on here acting like a blind, it caused condensation to occur in this area because this is a really cold point, okay? Now over here, you know, my windows were wide open all night and there's no condensation throughout here, okay? So the windows were both sealed up the same way. We've done everything the exact same way, but we created a little bit of a storm in here. We added moisture into an area. We blocked off that window to where it wasn't able to breathe. And that's how that condensation occurs on there, okay? It's not necessarily that the window's leaky or drafty. Yes, with the weep holes you do get a little bit of a draft, but that's not why you're getting condensation. Condensation is occurring because you are adding moisture. That dew point gets to the same temperature as the frame. It's condensing and it's going to leave that moisture there. So what happens? How are we going to control this? One, back off on the humidity in the home. Two, you know, if you do have that baby in the house and you got to run the humidifier, don't want the nose to dry up and stuff like that. Just in the morning, lift up your blinds, let's dry it up, and let's just go on with life. We're going to see you back here next Monday for another Maintenance Monday.